Are you tired of struggling with projects that require multiple tools? An oscillating multi-tool may be the game changer you need? In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 oscillating multi-tools of 2026 that promise to simplify your DIY tasks and boost your efficiency. We'll discuss their unique features, strengths, and why our #1 pick stands out from the crowd. Don't miss out on discovering which tool is the best fit for your needs. Remember, links in the description for current prices, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful content. Milwaukee Electric. Milwaukee Electric's oscillating tool is a robust option for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. This tool features a powerful motor that provides high performance, making it ideal for a range of applications, from sanding to cutting. With its quick lock blade change system, you can switch out accessories with ease, saving valuable time on your projects. It's best suited for users who appreciate durability and reliability in their tools. However, while the Milwaukee Electric offers exceptional performance, it may be slightly heavier than competitors, making prolonged use a bit tiring for some users. GALAX Pro Corded Oscillating Multi-Tool Kit 3.5 amps. The GALAX Pro Corded Oscillating Multi-Tool Kit is designed with the user experience in mind. With its 3.5 amps motor, it delivers impressive power, enabling you to tackle tough cutting, sanding, and scraping tasks. This kit comes complete with various accessories, making it perfect for those who want versatility without breaking the bank. It's ideal for DIYers looking to expand their toolkit without investing in expensive equipment. However, being corded may limit mobility compared to cordless models, so it's best suited for projects close to a power source. AVID Power Oscillating Tool. The AVID Power Oscillating Tool is an excellent choice for those who prioritize convenience and versatility. This cordless model offers a lightweight design, making it easy to maneuver for extended periods. With a variable speed control feature, users can adjust the speed to match the specific task, whether it's precision sanding or aggressive cutting. It's perfect for both home improvement projects and detailed craft work. However, some users might find the battery life could be better, especially during demanding tasks, so having a backup battery could be a wise investment. SnapFresh Cordless Oscillating Tool. The SnapFresh Cordless Oscillating Tool shines with its user-friendly design and portability. Equipped with a 20 volts lithium-ion battery, this tool provides the freedom to work anywhere without the hassle of cords. It's lightweight, yet powerful enough to handle various tasks, from removing old caulk to sanding edges. Ideal for homeowners and hobbyists alike, it's perfect for those who want a reliable tool for light to medium projects. However, while it's designed for ease of use, experienced users may find it lacks the robust features of higher-end models. Enventor Oscillating Tool. Claiming the top spot is the Enventor Oscillating Tool, a favorite among professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. It features a powerful motor combined with an ergonomic design, ensuring it handles tough jobs effortlessly while remaining comfortable for extended use. With a quick change system for accessories, it allows for significant versatility across various applications, from cutting through wood to sanding intricate corners. This tool is perfect for users looking to invest in a reliable, high-performance oscillating tool. While it tends to be slightly pricier than its competitors, the investment is well worth the quality and durability it provides. Thanks for tuning into our countdown of the best oscillating multi-tools of 2026. Each of these tools has its unique strengths, catering to different user needs, whether you're a DIY novice or a seasoned pro. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for the latest prices and consider subscribing for more insightful product reviews. Your next perfect tool is just around the corner.